Distributing and using marketing information. So marketing information is used to gain customer insights and make better marketing decisions. So kailangan yung marketing information system is always updated and available para sa mga managers and others who need it. In some cases, this means providing managers with regular performance reports, intelligence updates, reports on the results of research studies. So yun nga, kailangan updated lagi and available siya lagi para sa mga managers or to anyone who needs it. These days, therefore, information distribution involves entering information into databases and making it available in a timely, user-friendly way. So, kailangan yung information distribution is nasa databases siya wherein madali na lang yung pag-access ng information, madali na lang para sa mga managers na malaman yung mga information na kailangan nilang i-access. Kailangan updated lagi, available siya lagi, and user-friendly way siya. So, yung mga company, may dalawang uri silang ginagamit to disseminate or to distribute the marketing information. Ito yung intranet and extranet. So, alamin natin kung ano yung pinagkaiba nila. So, sa intranet, it is the internal information systems provide ready access to research information, customer contact information, reports, shared work documents, contact information for employees and other stakeholders, and more. It is a private, secured network designed to facilitate collaboration and make it easier to communicate and share documents in real time. It is set up as an internal website for members of an organization and is typically used internally. So, ang intranet is an internal information system wherein ang nakapag-access lang dito is yung member of an organization. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, pinoprovide niya yung research information, customer contact information, reports, shared work documents, contact information for employees and other stakeholders. Makikita nyo dyan na pang sa loob ng organization lang talaga siya. So, ayun. Private website siya. Nang nakakapag-access lang is yung mga member ng organization. Sa extranet naman, companies are increasingly allowing key customers and value network members to access account, product, and other data on demand. Suppliers, customers, resellers, and select other network members may access a company's extranet to update their accounts, arrange purchases, and check orders against inventories to improve their customer service. So, sa extranet, ito yung extension ng intranet wherein dito makakapag-access even from the outside of the organization. And makapag-access yung mga customer, yung supplier, reseller, para malaman nila din yung update, ganun, or makakapag-access sila ng information. So, meron din from inside the company na nakaka-access dito para i-update yung information doon na i-provide ng system para sa mga customers, suppliers, resellers, and selected other network members. So, yun. International marketing research. So, yung international researchers is pareho lang sila ng step na ginagawa ng domestic researchers. Dinidefine nila yung research problem, nag-develop sila ng research plan, in-interpret nila, and dire-report nila yung result from that research. However, these researchers often face more and different problems, whereas sa domestic researchers, it deal with fairly homogeneous markets within a single country. So, sa domestic researchers, sa isang country lang sila nagkakandak ng marketing research. So, yung homogeneous, ibig sabihin nun is same kind. Sa international researchers naman, it deals with diverse markets in many different countries. So, dito, it involves different varieties, different countries, iba't ibang countries, hindi lang sa isang country, kundi maraming country. These markets often vary greatly in their levels of economic development, cultures and customs, and buying patterns. In many foreign markets, the international researcher may have a difficult time finding good secondary data, whereas U.S. marketing researchers can obtain reliable secondary data from dozens of domestic research services. Many countries have almost no research services at all. Some of the largest international research services do operate in many countries. So, yung mga international researchers is nahihirapan sila sa paghanap ng good secondary data. Ayun. Wherein sa US marketing researchers, nakakapag-obtain sila ng secondary data from dozens of domestic research services. Pero, maraming bansa din ang wala talagang research services. So, meron namang iba na large international research services na nag-ooperate sa iba't ibang bansa. Pero, most research firms operate in only a relative handful of countries only. So, karamihan nagkakantak lang sila dun sa mga country na handful, na madali lang. Yung mga nahihirapan sila, minsan di na nila pinagtutuunan ng pansin. So, thus, even when secondary information is available, it usually must be obtained from many different sources on a country-by-country basis, making the information difficult to combine or compare. Because of the scarcity of good secondary data, international researchers often must collect their own primary data. They may use current telephone directories, email lists, census tract data, and any of several sources of socioeconomic data to construct samples. So, dahil sa scarcity ng secondary data, dahil nga hindi naman accurate lahat or hindi naman sure kung tama yun, yung mga international researchers they often collect their own primary data by the use of telephone directories, email, census, ayun yung mga data, o iba't ibang uri pa ng sources. However, such information is largely lacking in many countries. Hindi lahat ng bansa ay merong ng mga ito. Reaching respondents is often not so easy in other parts of the world. In some countries, few people have phones or personal computers. So, sa ibang bansa, kakaunti lang yung merong phone and computer. Yung iba naman kailangan door-to-door kasi nga wala silang sariling phone. Yung iba naman is hindi reliable yung postal system nila. Yung iba naman hindi nakaka-receive ng mail. So yun, in many developing countries, poor roads and transportation systems make certain areas hard to reach. So yun, may mga ibang bansa naman na ang hirap i-reach kasi kailangan sa palaran. Yun nga, ang hirap ng transportation. So, cultural differences from country to country cause additional problems. So, yun nga, may iba't ibang uri ng kultura, ang iba't ibang bansa. Minsan, hindi naman alam ng mga international researchers kung ano yung kultura nito. Kaya nagiging barrier din yun. Minsan, hindi mo alam na hindi pala dapat ito sa country na to, or sa isang country na to, bawal pala yung ganito. The language is the most obvious obstacle. This adds to research costs and increases the risk of error. So, matinding barrier ang language kasi hindi naman lahat ng international researchers is alam nila yung lahat ng language sa iba't ibang bansa. So, kunwari, hindi naman alam ng isang researcher mag-Mandarin or mag-Spanish, ganun. So, nagkakos lang din siya ng error minsan kapag tina-translate. Minsan iba yung translation. Customers in different countries also vary in their attitudes toward marketing research. People in one country may be very willing to respond. In other countries, non-response can be a major problem. So, sa ibang bansa, willing sila na mag-respond, pero sa iba naman, wala silang pakialam. Customs in some countries may prohibit people from talking with strangers. So, sa ibang bansa, binabawalan ng mga tao na may pag-usap sa ibang stranger. Kagaya na lang sa North Korea, di ba? Walang nakaka-access doon. Mapanganib pa. So, sa iba naman na kultura, yung research question is kinukonsider nila na masyadong personal. So, even when respondents are willing to respond, dahil nga sa pag-i-illiterate nila, minsan hindi nila alam kung paano sagutin yung mga research questions. Gaano man sila ka-willing. Yun nga lang, they're not capable of answering those questions dahil sa pagiging illiterate nila. But despite these problems, as global marketing grows, global companies have little choice but to conduct such international marketing research. So, kailangan pa rin nilang mag-conduct ng international marketing research. Although the costs and problems associated with international research may be high. So, kahit na mataas yung cost and problem sa pag-conduct nito, yung cost naman ng hindi paggawa nito is baka may ma-miss kang opportunities and magkaroon ka ng mistakes. Once recognized, many of the problems associated with international marketing research can be overcome or avoided.